Hi, welcome once again to this section. Okay, so in this tutorial, we will learn about the read file function inside the FS model. Okay, all right, so we'll be doing the read file and the rename functions. Okay, so first of all, we'll handle with the read file function. All right, so first we need to import the model, which we've already done here. Okay, then because we are reading a file, we need a file with a content. So I've already opened the file here. Let me just change the content. So you remember our previous files. Okay, we created a file, test file, which we inserted um, some text into it. So you can reopen that file, or you can create a new file and then add a content into the file. All right, so I'll add this content into the test files that I have here. So I'll say uh, this is an awesome programming language. All right, so now let's define our read file function. Okay, so we have read file here. Okay, so I have read file. Then what is the name of the file that we want to read? So we say test files, right? That's txt. Okay, all right. Then next we need to, because we are reading a file, we need to provide the language you want to read the file. If not, if we don't provide the language, the file might be read in the buffer like format. Okay, but because we want to print it out in a language that we can read the content, we have to provide the language, okay, or the type of uh, the format by which we want to read the file. So we use usually is default usually is the UTF-8. Okay, so we use the UTF-8. Then what we do is that we need to, as usual, define our error callback function and add our data. Now, what the data will do is the data will basically handle the file content. Okay, all right. So the file that I'll be reading, it will handle it. So at the end of the day, we'll just console log the content. Okay, all right. So let's define what will happen here. So we are saying that let's define, first of all, define the ERR. So if ERR, let's throw ERR. Okay. All right. Then after that, what do? We console log data. Okay. So we are constantly logging the content of the file. Okay. All right. So this should be it for now. All right. So now let's run the code. Let's run the function. Let's see. No such files or directory. This is test files. What did I write? Oh, sorry. So my I need to change the path that I'm working on currently. Okay. So I need to cd code. All right. Then now let me run the file again. Let me run the function. Okay. So as you can see, it has console log the message. So this is an awesome programming language. Okay. All right. So the file, the content we have here, it has console logged it. Okay. If we add the programming language in Node.js, okay, and then we run the file, you can see the message console logging it. Okay. So this one. Okay. So that is it about for the read file. Okay. Now let's go straight to the rename file. Okay. All right. So with the rename file too, what we have to do as usual, we have to define the model, okay, or import the model. All right. So let's do const rename. We have require here. They have not ss. Okay. All right. So this is it. All right. So now we'll still be using the file. Okay. So we already have file text file dot tx. Okay. Txt. We want to change the file name. Okay. So let's close it. Then let's change it to rename. Okay, so what are we renaming? We are renaming text files, text files dot txt. Okay, what are we renaming it into? So the new name we want to give it test not files dot txt. Okay. All right. So when we are done, as usual, we need our ERR. If there's any error, it will console log error. All right. So we define a URL. So we say if URL throw URL. Okay. Then what do we do? We console log. We are not consoling error. We are consoling log rename. Uh, so we console log rename file has been completed successfully. Okay. All right. So we do this. Okay, so now let's run the file. Let's run the function. Okay, rename file has been completed successfully. Okay, so now let's go back and check if we have any file that has been named test not files, and that's no, there's no files, test files. Okay, all right, so we go to our directory. Okay, so you can see test not files. Okay, we can't see any test files. Okay, all right. So there's no test files, but there's test not files. So the test files has been replaced with test not files. The name has been changed. Okay. All right. So that is it. I'll see you again in my next tutorials. Thank you.